It's time to celebrate our 100th video on House of Cid. Yay! I'm so excited. I can't believe I have uploaded 100 videos on the channel. That's a lot. 100 videos is a lot, especially when your channel is still only about a year and a half old. Actually, we're getting close to the 2-year mark, so you know what that means. Another giveaway. But today, 100 video giveaway. If you watched my holiday Nespresso capsule review video, then you know I teased about a giveaway. And I decided to do it on a separate video because it just gets too long and I just wanted to focus on the giveaway. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to give away a prize to one of you guys, and the rules are as follows. First of all, right now, because of the whole situation in the world and because of shipping costs, I am only doing the giveaway for the US. So if you are in the US, so the giveaway is only open to people in the US. I'm going to exclude Hawaii and Alaska. Sorry guys, Hawaii and Alaska shipping is kind of expensive. So for now, lower 48 states, this giveaway is for you. And maybe next time I could include everyone and even maybe international giveaway. But today we're going to do US 48 states. For now, I'm going to keep it to 18 and older. So you must be in the US for the 48 states, excluding Hawaii and Alaska. You must be 18 and over. You need to subscribe to my channel, House of Cid. Make sure you have subscribed. If you already subscribed, then you can enter. But if you are new here, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell as well so you are notified of all my videos and when I announce the winner, obviously. So subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when the videos are coming. And you need to leave me a comment as well. Leave me a comment and tell me what is your favorite thing about the holidays. I want to know. You know, holidays are coming up. No matter what you celebrate, which holiday you celebrate, this is the holiday season for a lot of us. Let me know what your favorite thing about celebrating holidays is, whatever holiday that may be. For me, it obviously includes coffee. So that would be one of my favorite things. Getting together with family, with friends, over a cup of coffee and enjoying being together. Also, because I had issues in the past with giveaways, I'm not going to get into details, but you need to email me. I will leave the email down in the descriptions. Email me with the subject holiday contest, and I know that you have entered. And when you win, I will email you directly to the email that you have sent to me. What do you win? This is what you win if you are the winner. You get a Starbucks prize package. You're going to get this cute little tote. You are going to get 2 little espresso mini mugs. You are going to get a gift card for Starbucks for $10. You're going to get this little keychain gift card holder. It's a keychain and it holds your gift cards. And it has a little mermaid on there. You're going to get a blue Starbucks pen. You are going to get a color changing reusable cup. This one changes color when you pour hot liquid in it. These are new. And you are going to get a magnet that says all you need is coffee for your refrigerator or anywhere in your kitchen. And you are going to get a Starbucks holiday ornament. These are very cute. I collect them. This is the new one for 2020. If this is something that you're interested in, I will let you choose. If you are a Starbucks lover, coffee lover, and do not have a Nespresso machine, then this is your prize. But if you are a Nespresso owner and love Nespresso, then you can choose your prize to be a set of Nespresso holiday capsules. So you can choose the Starbucks prize or the Nespresso prize. So make sure you follow all the directions. I will leave everything down in the description again. So make sure you are subscribed, hit the notifications, like this video, leave a comment about your favorite holiday, and send me that email. And I know that you have entered, and you will get an email from me when you win. So make sure you follow all those rules. If you are not following all the steps, then you can get disqualified from the giveaway, but I don't want that to happen. So please make sure you read the descriptions and follow all the rules, and I will send it off to you as soon as I pick a winner. Whew, that was a mouthful. So this is my way of saying thank you to everyone that has subscribed, everyone that is commenting, watching the videos. I really, truly appreciate it. And let's celebrate in another 100 videos, or when we hit the 2-year mark. I don't know. I just like doing giveaways because it's just my way of showing my appreciation to everyone. So that's it. We're done. Enter the giveaway, and I can't wait to announce the winner. Thanks, everyone.